In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step process on how to upgrade your front turn signals to LED bulbs. This is going to work from 2017 to 2022 Kia Sportages. This happens to be a 2022 Kia Sportage Nightfall Edition. Now the original bulbs are just standard, they're not very bright, and they do burn out. But if you want to put in these LED bulbs, these are high quality LED bulbs, they're very bright, you'll probably never have to replace them again. And they also prevent hyperflash. I'll put a link in the description below on these exact bulbs so you can pick them up from Amazon and have them show up at your doorstep in just 2 to 3 days. Let's go ahead and get started. This is the standard bulb on the passenger side. Now this is what the LED bulb looks like. Quite a bit brighter than the factory. We're going to be doing the passenger side first. I'm going to bring the camera in so you can see exactly where it's at. And we're going to be working with this right here. This is the housing that's holding in that turn signal. All right, so this housing right here, you see how it's straight up and down? This is kind of a tab that we're going to turn, and we're going to turn it left or counterclockwise. And then just pull straight back, and the bulb is going to stay in the housing. Now to remove the bulb from the housing, you're going to push in and rotate left or counterclockwise and pull straight out. Now if you take a look at the housing and the bulb, you'll see that there's some slots in the housing and there's some nubs in the bulb. So you're going to line those up and then push in and turn to the right. Give it a little tug and make sure it stays in place. If for some reason you push this together and it doesn't want to turn to the right, see how it just keeps coming out? Just rotate it 180 degrees, line the nubs and the slot back up, push in, turn to the right, give it a little tug. That way we know it's locked into place. Go ahead and insert the bulb back into the housing. And notice how it doesn't go in. So we need to rotate it to the left and you'll see it kind of drop into place. See how it just went all the way in? Now notice the position of this right here. See how it's kind of at the 11 o'clock position? Now you're going to push in, turn to the right. And then this will be straight up and down. And then just give it a tug. And now we know it's locked into place. And now I'm just going to give it a test to make sure it works before we go to the other side. I'm going to show you where the driver's side is. You'll see this air box right here, kind of just in front of the air box. If you follow my finger, that's the housing right there. The position of this tab, it's straight up and down, so we're going to rotate it to the left or counterclockwise to about the 11 o'clock position and then pull straight out. And now to remove the bulb, just push in, rotate to the left or counterclockwise, pull straight out. Go ahead and install the new bulb, push in, rotate to the right, give it a little tug, make sure it's locked into place. Now we're just going to insert back into the housing. We're just going to rotate this to the left until it goes in, and you'll notice the position of this tab, it's about the 11 o'clock position. And now we're just going to rotate it to the right. See how it's straight up and down? Give it a little tug. Now we know it's locked into place. That is so much brighter than the factory bulb. It's going to be safer for you out on the highway, and it's going to pretty much last forever. And that's it, guys. That's all there is to it. Changing out these front turn signals on this vehicle are super easy. These new LEDs are going to keep you safer at night, and they're going to last a lifetime. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.